You have unlocked so many incredible moments. But did you find your treasure?
Did you? What about you? You did?
What adventures have you been on?
What treasures have you found? Speaking of which, why look, it's a treasure chest. How convenient. You know what they say, Coriander.
What?
Good things come in small packages.
A true treasure holds a world of possibility, all locked up within a chest. And where there's a lock, there's a key.
Mm-hmm.
Now who holds the key? Who can unlock this treasure? Well, someone wiser than they know.
And braver than they think.
A seasoned adventurer.
A knowing sage.
With the faith of a child. It's you.
It is you. Come on up. Give it a hand, folks. Oh, front and center.
What are your names? Chris? Bilbo. And Bilbo.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the key?
Raise it up for everyone to see. There it is. Excellent.
Now, what has been your favorite adventure so far?
All the memories we made along the way.
All the memories?
Oh,
And new friends. Just think of all the treasures we've already discovered. We've sailed with pirates!
We traveled to exotic ports. He's running down. Hi, Al. You've sailed towards adventure to claim your destiny.
Greatest heroes!
You've chosen wisely with globe-trotting archaeologists. Hold this. What is that? What is that?
Socialize with spirits, your eye.
When hinges creak in doorless
Wait,
chambers
wait for me.
and strange, frightening sounds echo through the hall.
And revel in the celebration of a lifetime. Here's a souvenir. You're welcome.
But the greatest treasure of them all is inside that chest. So, Bilbo and Chris, do you still have the key? Are you ready to open it?
Yes.
Shall we open it together?
Let's give them some encouragement.
Can you help us count to three? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's it! Huzzah! You found it, my friends! There they are. Better than gold, stronger than diamonds, more valuable than any prize in the universe. Your memories. Such things will always be greater than all the magic, all the treasures in all the world.
to look.